So these girls right here are basically sitting around for a free meal. And they're licking, obviously there was honey coming out. These are just sitting on the hive. Some big girls. And what's happening right here, there's honey leaking out of the side here, and they're licking at it. They actually look like they're trying to burrow a hole in on there. This one here too. This one here is feeding. Younger one. I think these are probably full of honey. And the hornets are here. That one looked docile, and I tried to get her, and she started moving really quick. Startled the shit out of me. She's hungry, so she'll probably want to chew on my finger. Anything for a meal. It's pretty scary there. And then another one flew up.